how to use Microsoft Copilot. Now, if you don't know what Microsoft Copilot is, on a recent update, your Windows might have installed a certain application that looks like this. This is Microsoft Copilot. Now, it is definitely an AI chatbot, but aside from that, it also offers much more features. For example, not only in chatbot, but you can also use it to code at something. You can also use it on Excel, Word, Sheets, wherever else, all of the Microsoft applications, you'll be able to find Copilot to assist you. So if I just go here and open the Microsoft Copilot application here, and then just type in what is Microsoft Copilot, you can see it will actually give me a couple of answers right over here in this case, and it will give me a couple of answers based on it. Now you can use it to basically, you can see AI assistant developed by Microsoft based on the GPT-4 architecture. And you can help with a wide range of activities like drafting content, providing insights like a chatbot, whatever type of question you have. You can use the Microsoft application as well, which is the Copilot app, or you can also go to copilot.microsoft.com, which is the official website. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.